There has never been a better time to live. Why? Because this is the time you live. I believe in reincarnation. Many of you do, many of you don't. But reincarnation does not negate the here and now. You sitting there, walking there, listening to me, you will never be again. Never. Me, Corinne, as I am here with my experiences and what I have gained in life and the joy that I know life can be, oh my goodness, I will never be again. So if I don't embrace life, if I don't pull it into myself, that is a waste. You can tell I've got the hiccups in the background. Okay. Hiccups and all. I embrace life. And I hope you do too, because there's nothing more wonderful than that which we have right now. All of creation is at our fingertips, but only if you accept it and you take it in the here and now, not before. That was something else, and not ahead of us. That's something else too. It's just what we have right now. So grasp the now. Oh, bring it to you. Namaste. See you soon, Wise Aunties Squad.